Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mira's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to zoom into an object in CapCut Desktop using keyframes, a simple yet powerful technique to make your edits more dynamic. Let's get started. First, open CapCut Desktop and create a new project. Click on Import, then select the image you want to zoom in on. Drag and drop the image onto the timeline. Select the image in the timeline and make sure the playhead is at the point where you want the zoom to start. Now, go to the Transform section in the right panel. Click on the Keyframe button, diamond icon, to add the first keyframe. This locks the image's starting position. Move the playhead forward to where you want the zoom to end. Now, use the scale slider or drag the corner of the image to zoom in on the specific tool or object. If needed, adjust the position by dragging the image in the preview window to center the tool in focus. Now, click the keyframe button again to set this as the ending keyframe. To make the zoom smoother, adjust the spacing of the keyframes in the timeline. For a fast zoom, keep the keyframes close together. For a slow zoom, move them further apart. Hit the play button to preview the zoom effect. If you're happy with it, click on Export in the top right corner. Choose your resolution, frame rate, and file format, then hit Export to save your video. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a smooth zoom effect using keyframes in CapCut Desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome editing tips. See you in the next video.